Why were you saying I couldn't, I should take this to the dump, or it doesn't really affect the dump after they cover it with dirt and stuff? What's the deal with this?
Well, the actual vapors of the freon escape into the ozone layer of our atmosphere, which has a direct effect on our global warming.
Okay, so that's why you don't want to take it to the dump, or you don't want to try to discharge it yourself and cut a pipe and let all the stuff out. Because just think about it, how many of these wall mount air conditioners or window mount air conditioners, or any kind of air conditioner for that matter, or refrigerator, stuff like that, if everybody did that, we'd be in a heck of a mess. So be good to the environment. As much as it pains me to spend money, I'm gonna have to do it. You know, I always like to save money whenever I can, but in this instance, I'm choosing to save the environment. You should too. Hey, do I mind taking these air conditioners to the recycler? Not really. Well, this is what I'm doing February 11th. What are you doing?